A few months ago, I was putting away my Legos, putting them all in boxes, taking down sets because I just got really frustrated with YouTube and quit. And I was like, I'm just going to put my Legos away for a while. And as I was doing that, I was putting away my Spider-Man Ultimate Bridge Battle, and I saw this pumpkin bomb with the Green Lantern on fire, and I was like, that'd be a really cool head for the Headless Horseman. And then I was thinking about all the different characters I had, and I thought, oh, wait a second. We've got the Highwayman, that mystery character from Minifigure Series 17, who really kind of has that old-fashioned outfit and a cape, and I thought he would be like a great body for our Headless Horseman. And so I was just all you have to do is get your Series 17 Highwayman, take off his head, and here, that little peg, that bar there is the whole reason you can't do a real Headless Horseman because you have that peg there in Lego. And then put on the Green Lantern Pumpkin Bomb. And here you've got this fiery Headless Horseman minifigure. And really the only other thing is, when I think of the Headless Horseman, he doesn't have those old fashion muskets. I gotta get rid of those muskets. And instead, I'm gonna give him a cool little cutlass so he can go around chopping other people's heads off if he so desires. And, also, another great head chopping tool is the axe. I'm gonna give him an axe too. But here we kind of have a custom Headless Horseman minifigure using the pumpkin bomb from Green Lantern and the Series 17 Highwayman minifigure. What about me? Sorry, you're a nearly headless Nick.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.